All right, status update. We just shot Cold Ones in Conversation last night. We're moving everything out. Finally got the compressor moved out to the new room. That's exciting. All plumbed up so we can use it. Gain some more space in the main shop so we can move some CNC machines around. Here is the new compressor room outside. It's a luxury to have the compressor run outside the building, so you don't have to listen to that all the time. So you can see in the video we were digging the floor out, pouring a new floor.
It's freaking cold out here, jeez. I don't have my hat or my glove on.
So this is moving along, a little bit of buffer space to move things around and organize stuff. So that's exciting. Gonna move some band saws out here, some presses, get rid of all the crap that's in this bay here. And then this bay will house the CNC machine and some more equipment. Get that cleaned up so that the other building can then turn into the retail space. And things are moving slowly, but open it up, get some more bikes and stuff in here to build. Right now it's a little bit clustered. There's way too much stuff, but the CNC machine will get taken out of here. That'll save up quite a bit of space. That'll be over in the machine shop, which will be nice. Get that out of here, and then we got some bikes hung up, some frames. We got some awesome signs. Actually, it's the Jimmy Ellis frame right there. Yeah, this will turn into a really nice space. It's well lit. We're gonna work on some different heat source, get that warmed up, because right now we don't feel like burning oil for the times we're in here. Plenty of motors everywhere, cool. Race sled, Ski-Doo, back in the 70s. So yeah, this is what we're looking to turn into. Put some racks in here for all the AMSOIL, paint it, get even better lighting, display stuff, trophies, cool bikes. Make sure it's just a place where you can come and house some cool stuff.